Patent licensing and assignment are the two terms used often when patent monetization or commercialization is discussed. As an inventor of technology or patent buyer, you must be very careful about using these two terms and should also understand difference between the two very clearly. I am Bindu Sharma, and in this video I will try to explain you what does patent licensing or assignment mean and what is the difference between these two terms. Getting a patent for an invention is an exciting time for the inventor. However, it is important to commercialize the patent so that the patented product becomes source of revenue for the inventor and the product is also able to see the market. There could be various reasons why most of the patents do not generate any money during their lifetime. The patented technology may be too early to the market and therefore it is hard for the inventor to find potential buyers. If the prototype or proof of concept is not ready, it becomes difficult to convince buyer about working of the invention because buyer would be specifically interested in looking into scaling up the patented technology of the inventor, and for him it's important to see the prototype working well. It could also happen that the patented technology is very complex and manufacturing the patented product might not be possible without seeking permission from other patent owners. So this could be one of the reasons that delays decision-making power of the buyer. If the patent is poorly drafted and claims of patent specification are not strong, enforcement of patent becomes difficult even if the buyer replicates the technology after seeking permission of the patent holder. There are various ways of patent commercialization. Patent holder can manufacture and sell his patented product himself or through a joint venture by partnering up with other companies. Patent holder can also license his patented product to the companies for an exchange of lump sum amount of money or royalty or both. And by granting the license, the patent holder permits the companies to manufacture, market or sell the patented product in the market. Patent holder can also assign or sell his patent or patents to other entities or companies, and in this process he transfers ownership of the patent to the other company or entity and earn money. Let's first of all understand what does a patent license means. Now, the dictionary meaning of the word license is permission. By entering into a patent licensing arrangement, the patent holder grants a license or permission to the company to manufacture, market, and sell the patented product in the specific markets of their interest. The process of patent licensing is completed by executing a technology or patent license agreement comprising all important terms and conditions which both parties agree upon mutually. So here the first party is going to be the patent holder and second party is going to be the company or entity to whom license is to be granted by the patent holder. Patent licensing is the most commonly used method by the patent holders to commercialize the patent or technology to generate revenue. Patent holder can license his patent and introduce it to the market to earn royalties and sign deals with investors and other companies. In case of patent licensing, the patentee does not transfer ownership of the patent to the other party, but rather he transfers a set of rights for a specific period of time. The patent license may be exclusive or non-exclusive in nature. In exclusive license, the patent holder grants license only to one party, whereas if the agreement is non-exclusive, the patentee may grant it to more than one parties. The term or duration of license may be same or less than the term of patent itself. Term of patent is usually 20 years and it starts from the date of filing. However, in most of the cases, patent licensing does not just involve a patent but also involves sharing of knowledge, experience, and expertise that patent holder has. Therefore, even if the patent expires, the licensing relationship may continue. There are various advantages of executing a patent licensing agreement. By executing a license agreement, the patent holder gets to push his product into the new market by taking advantage of the manufacturing, marketing, and selling expertise of the company to whom the license has been granted by the patent holder. And the company who takes the license from the patent holder has various advantages like they get to use the innovative and new technologies of the patent holder, and this may give them competitive edge in the market. There are various clauses which are very important in a patent licensing agreement. We have made a separate video on essential clauses of a patent licensing agreement. You can just check that video in the playlist. Some of the clauses are term of a patent, then scope of the rights that are granted by the patent holder to the company. Valuation of technology or patented technology should be done before executing the license agreement, and royalty fees has to be fixed up. There can be a particular amount of money to be paid by the company to the patent holder at the time of signing the agreement, and rest of the money can follow as a royalty fee. Stage of technology is very important to be specified in the agreement, whether the technology is at the stage of idea or it is at the stage of prototype. Market size has to be assessed. Then if it is licensing or assignment of a patent, it is important to define clearly in the agreement who is going to take responsibility of patent prosecution or renewal, because if this patent has been filed in multiple jurisdictions, the amount to be paid as renewal fee or prosecution fees can be really high. Every agreement has a termination clause. So in the license agreement also, it is important to define the date of termination or renewal of the agreement. In case any dispute arises between the parties at later point of time, there has to be mentioned about the mechanism both parties will adopt to resolve the dispute. In the agreement, it is important to mention which laws will govern the agreement. Apart from this, liabilities of both the parties, responsibilities of both the parties, and indemnity has to be defined clearly in the agreement. Now let's discuss patent assignment and find out how is it different from patent licensing. Assignment means permanent transfer of rights or ownership. In this way, patent assignment is a kind of selling off the patent by the patent holder. When patent assignment happens, amendments in the patentee's name are also required to be done formally, where patent assignment deed along with prescribed forms and fees is required to be submitted to the patent office. Fundamental difference between patent licensing and patent assignment is that in case of patent licensing, ownership remains with the patent holder and patent holder transfers rights to the other entity for a particular period of time. In case of patent assignment, ownership of the patent gets transferred in the name of assignee. So, patent licensing and assignment are two popular options to exploit patent rights by the patent holder. These both options have their own pros and cons, and hence it is advisable for the patent holder and patent buyer to seek expert advice before entering into any kind of agreement to make good use of the opportunity. So, patent licensing and assignment are two popular options to exploit patent rights by the patent holder. These both options have their own pros and cons, and hence it is advisable for the patent holder and patent buyer to seek expert advice before entering into any kind of agreement to make good use of the opportunity. Thank you very much for watching this video. For any queries related to our services, you can contact us. Email ID and phone number is given in the video description. See you again, and till then, keep learning, keep innovating. Goodbye.